Yes.
Oh yeah, I can see you right now. So I'm going to click the record button again. Please speak.
Um, I'm going to show some details for you about equally contribute pay. And first of all, my situation is about when you hang out or get together with friends. Uh, you shouldn't generally do this all the time. Uh, Rather than that, you have to stay with you. I mean, like, because before going out, I think that everyone, um, ở cái chợ cái là tôi nó bị vàng.
Yeah, I'm just about to say that because I'm waiting for you to finish your sentences. Yeah, right now you recognize your your voice just coming back when you are speaking. You need to fix it. Okay, so well let's when we wait for Kanza, please next student please Zahan or Hatai or Lifa or Hafo Miss B, please pick up. Show me your ideas to develop more more products for the class. Very nice word here. Reconstruct from Kwa. I love this.
Hello.
I you pick up.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you very clearly.
Oh, okay. Um, um, currently, the COVID-19, every, sorry. Oh, wait a minute.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, can you hear me?
Yes, I am listening to you.
Okay. Currently, the COVID-19 epidemic circumstance is seriously happening in the whole world, and Vietnam is not exceptive. So in a few days ago, um, the situation of the COVID-19 in Vietnam is overly serious, and the government has offered the the 16 directive in some area uh, have serious circumstance. COVID-19 is happening, and the picture of COVID-19 case is increasingly dramatically increased. So so the government have afforded the directive, and from there from from there um sorry, cái con này nó bị vang á, nghe nó khó chịu lắm á thứ trời.
But right at this moment I can listen to you very clearly. Nothing no voice coming back situation. But if you talk and the voice coming back, you please leave the room, restore your equipment, and then get back into the room again. Don't worry because only 2 days, to yesterday and today, the Wi-Fi all over Vietnam has been fixed. So you need to try to get over today. Yeah. So
Okay, wait a minute, sorry.
yeah, sure. So right now, let's listen to other students. Please show me your ideas. If you have anything to share with me, I would like you to use the word reconstruct. Please try to use the word like reconstruct, something like life, your life, the economy when it comes to the government. foot the bill, we need to reconstruct our characteristics. For example, when it comes to footing the bill, so it's like somebody is going to take advantage of you if you volunteer to foot the bill every time you invite your friends to go out and eat with you. So it's like volunteer to foot the bill is going to impact you in a negative way. People are going to take advantage of you as a bill payer. So right now Hata is coming back. Let's listen to Hata. Please show me your ideas. So here, please remember.
Okay.
Yes, I am listening to you. Please speak up.
Okay. Oh, I will start again. Um. Okay. Currently. Sorry. Oh my God. I don't know how today is.
No, it's okay because
After.
yeah, you are you right now you are encountering problems of idea demonstrations on your mind and the way to establish ideas in verbal English. So you need to practice, okay, reading things out loud before you join the class. This is the way to solve the present situation for you. But don't worry, because after this class we have a small assignment before tomorrow class begins. First days always cause problems. Everything first time always cause problems. So no worries. So right now, guys, please take a good look at get the list again, because when we wait for our friend, we need to go through the list again to get more ideas, more knowledge. Okay, knowledge, more idea establishment. No knowledge, no ideas establishment. So right here we have the word like for the time being. For now, at this time. For the time being, it's like every star, every artist has their own time. Just like famous artists. Today they are famous, but we don't know what tomorrow will bring to us. So we have an idea to say that for the time being. So like I said, that I feel very happy today, but it doesn't mean that happiness is going to go with me all along this time in my life. So like I said, that I am only happy for the time being. Tomorrow is tomorrow. Today is today. Everything ends. Everything begins in a new version. So here we have the word for the time being. Let's come to the situation of the second, okay, of the third idiom, frame of mind, mental state. Very easy. Mental state, mentally think about something. Physical state, it is about your body, okay? Your hand, your legs. You mentally feel ill. It means that you feel very hurt inside, and you feel like you are so tired, but the doctor can't help you to feel better. But if you said that you are physically ill, it means that your body hurts a lot. Maybe your leg hurts, or your hand hurts, or your head hurts. It depends on you. So here we have the word like frame of mind. So it's like this is my situation for for your better understanding of the idiom frame of mind. So it's like this. Today is the very first day to begin the radio talk method for class 132. And we have a new student who is Thảo Nguyen, okay? Yeah, so right here, our frame of mind for everything, okay, for every new beginning is new things take time. Yeah, this is our frame of mind for everything which starts for the very first time. New things take time. So when it comes to new things, we need to go through the process of getting to know that thing. We need to help ourselves to get used to using that kind of thing. just like studying the idiom. Whenever we see the idiom for the very first time, we look at the idiom, we read the idiom, but in fact, the idiom just stares at us back. We don't have the knowledge, the right knowledge, the proper knowledge of the idiom. We cannot apply the idiom into the practical situation in life. So we use the word like no things take time. No things take times. New idioms takes lots of time for us to understand, for us to learn how to use, for us to learn how to define the idiom by our own English. So like I said, the frame of mind of English learners is new vocabularies, new grammars, take time. So the frame of mind, it means that the way that you think about something. Your frame of mind may be negative today for the time being, but your frame of mind is going to rapidly change tomorrow. Everything is gonna change. No, not nothing. Okay, nothing will stand still. So everything is gonna change, and you are going to experience different frames of mind once you encounter various and distinctive problems or situations in your life. So I have just finished delivering to you my situation based on the idiom frame of mind, based on the idiom for the time being. And right now I need to go to the third idiom, that is from now on. Oh, very easy, now and in the future. People would love to use the idiom from now on for love situations. It's like, oh yeah, my boyfriend picks a fight with me, or my girlfriend stars a fight with me. So I will say that from now on, we will split up into two different paths. You go your own way, and I will go my own way. So we will have different lives to live, different things to experience for the time being. And from now on we will have more different experience in the practical life. So it's much easier for you to use the idiom from now on when it comes to love situation, and it's much more practical for you to use the idiom frame of mind, or for the time being, when it comes to examples of academic environments or business environments. So right now, let's wait for you guys to give me the situation based on frame of mind from now on. For the time being, three idioms in the last section of the class. Key 6, for the time being. Key 7, key 6 for the time being. Key 7, frame of mind. Key 8, from now on.
Hello.
Yes, we are listening. Please speak up.
Yeah. Hello, everyone. Good afternoon, MV.
Yeah, good afternoon, Miss B.
Okay, so I will share my situation. I will try my best to use as much as the idiom that I can. Um. Okay. I just during the COVID-19. So this is a this is a real situation that I have known. um, During the COVID-19, like before the lockdown, we know that the government have noticed that we cannot gather more than three people outside of the school, office, or houses. Yeah. The and then At the moment that I have joined one TVC shooting. Um, and this is it's just a first day of the lockdown time, and the production house that I am working for at that time is trying to continue to shoot the last few screen just to finish their project before they opt for the lockdown. But unluckily that the people committee that they come to the studio and just stop the shoot right there. The shooting team that we have like around 20 people, and they were fined because they didn't because the production house didn't follow the government directions. So they will be fined like each of them that like 7 million per person. And right from there, the producer have asked the staff have asked the crew to equally contribute to pay for the fine. But their salary, the TVC crew, that they cannot afford to pay for it. So the next uh, next that they asking the agency, they asking the agency to like proportionally contribute to pay for the fine as well. But the agency didn't agree because they said that this is the production house fault. It's not their fault, so they will not agree to pay for it. So because of the production house, they didn't follow the directive of the government. Uh, f- they just want to finish the project and take the money for their own good. So finally, the production now have to foot the bill for the whole production team and on the expenses for these 3 day shooting. Yeah, this is the lesson for them that they should not apply this kind of working style anymore for good. For the time being, I think that they can solve that problem like case by case. But from now on, that they should reconstruct the procedure or change the strategy of their business with planning for it should be have a risky plan for the pandemic like this. Yeah. So this is the situation I would like to share.
Yeah, thank you, Miss B, for sharing your practical examples of your own job and career. Here we have collected a very special word, special in a normal way. That is the word apply. We use the word apply for many kinds of situations: business ones, academic ones, real life ones, normal activity in our life. So right here, when it comes to shooting company, okay, the movie industry, or okay, something like this, we need to use the word like impose. What the way for you to use the word impose is impose something onto somebody or impose something onto something else. And how to use the word impose when it comes to the director or when it comes to the team leader of the shooting, okay, of the shooting team. Because of COVID-19, just like you shared with us, because of COVID-19, the team, okay, the team leader would not listen to anybody's ideas. He or she is going to decide on his or her own. So when she makes a final decision, okay, to withdraw the investment to invest in the shooting, or to okay, or to just tell everybody to stop in the middle of the shooting, everybody needs to listen to her. So when a decision comes from one side without the discussion of each member in a team, we will use the word impose. I need no discussions from you. I need no discussion from every and each team member. Decision is made by me, and it's going to be an action is going to be taken by the team member, by the whole team. So in this case, Miss V, please try to use the word impose. So you can say something about the team is going to impose the final decision, which is cancel the shooting. Okay, all of sudden we have the word like all of sudden, which means suddenly. Cancel all of sudden. You can use the word the cancellation is imposed by the team leader all of a sudden. So Yeah, your situation is very well demonstrated. You have already used the very first keywords of this class. Very good, Miss B. But please try to make use of the key 6 to key 8, and from key 9 to key 12 are the words or the keywords developed or taken from your presentations. First of all, we have the vocab, the shooting. The shooting means that the day, okay, the day that you spend on having, okay, having the film being recorded, or having, okay, the scene being recorded by the whole team, okay, which contains lots of people. So we use the word like the shooting. And second of all, which is keyword 10, we have the word shoot. Shoot as an action verb in English. I'm going to use the camera, or I'm going to use, okay, a camera. We have a cameraman, and the cameraman is going to shoot the scene, and everybody needs to be on set. Artists, or, okay, or movie makers need to be on set. Okay, so we have the word like on set. It means that this is a very this is a place for all kinds of art people coming to this place and perform their part. Artist will perform his art, and actresses are going to be in the role given to her. So we have the word on set like this. And the last one, which is key 12, which I have already explained to you how to use apply and how to use impose. If you apply, you have the agreements from everybody in your team. But if you use the word impose, you don't have anything from your team. No approvals from your team. You decide, you take acts, and you impose everything onto your team. So that is it. Very good, Miss B. But in your speaking, please try to use key 6 to key 8. Wow, today class is very good, but some students experience fault internet disconnections. So please try for tomorrow. Today class. Okay, thank you so much for Miss B and Khoa and Thảo Nguyên. But all the students, that is, all the students who are Phát, Hòa Phú, Gia Hân, Khánh Gia, Hà Tài, and Tân Đức, 6 students, the 6 students who are called by names, please strive to create the situations of all these keywords for tomorrow presentations, because
Sorry,
we need to keep going. We cannot stop. Do you
sorry,
understand?
sorry.
Yes, I am listening to you. Hello?
Because I think you need to double check on your mind or your facility, because uh when I hear Khoa or Kenya or Miss B, they when they speaking, they have a resound from their speaking. Yeah, I think this from your mind or your
It's a equal. It's a
speaker.
equal.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah,
It's an echo,
Yeah.
but
yeah.
You open the
Because
speaker, the out
yeah,
speaker.
because me and Kenya have a situation, but when I'm speaking, the echo is resound to my mind, and it's make me feel very lazy. Yeah,
but right here, how about right now? Because the mic, the mic is the laptop mic, and the laptop is connected to the Bluetooth of the loudspeaker. Everything is run without echo application. So if you experience something like this, when you experience something like this, please message on Skype. Send a message, because the more you keep talking, the more the more eco applications are going to come to your place, and it's going
oh
to
yeah,
drive crazier. So next time, just try to send a message on Skype directly to me, and we will know how to stop or solve everything instantly and at the
yeah,
right time. Don't wait to the end of the class, because Right now everything is already run. We cannot come back to 3 p.m. again. So Tai, don't worry. Don't feel
Uh,
like crazy.
oh yeah,
Send
but
message.
because at that moment me and Kanya have a